In this quick tip, we're just going to show you something to look for if you decide to use the AutoCAD property box to edit font or height. We're going to click on the 56-inch length tag, and here you've got font, and then you've got the height or font size of this particular tag. Now, in earlier exercises, we show you that the font size, here you can see it's 8. Obviously, this tag is not following the font size 8. You can see that the font size has no effect on the tag until we normally delete the text style. If there's a text style will override whatever you've got here as font and font size. It picks up the font and height of whatever's in your text style. But what we're going to do here is we're going to hit the delete key and empty out that field. Even though that field is blank, you can see here that the font and font size are not being affected still. The reason why is before anything in the AutoCAD property box can take effect on your tag, you have to go into the Edit Tag section and see if this tag was developed with the style, font, and font height inside the individual fields. For example, you can see up here under style, font, and height, there is no text style. And you can see that this tag has height 8, but once again, the tag is not following this height. If you double click on field 1A, you'll notice here, and we go over this in the custom tagging section, the style, font, and font height, whatever you've got for these selections, and of course if you pick the style, this would be grayed out and it would follow this text style. If it's blank, you can pick a font and text height. Because the text height was embedded into an individual field on this particular tag, you will not be able to change it through the AutoCAD property box, nor up here where we choose the parameters for the general tag. This overrules everything in terms of tagging. Whatever you've got in the individual fields. Now, if this section was blank, like we're going to hit text height here, and we're just going to delete it. Now that this is blank, what it would do next is it would follow whatever height you have here. For example, if we're going to type in 5, we're going to press OK. Now you're going to notice that the font size here has changed to 5 as well. And now the tag can be adjusted through the AutoCAD property box. As we make adjustments here with the font size, you can see it's going to follow it. So first, you must make sure there is no font, text height, or style in the individual fields if you want to do it from here. It is rare to edit your font from this particular area. Usually the fonts are set. However, if you choose to do it, you must be careful that there's nothing embedded in the individual fields. That'll conclude this quick tip.